like an ocean. The way you're touching me must be emotion. The way it's meant to be, all the emotion. Spinning in my head, feels like an ocean. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. No, it's true. Could do the things you do just like you. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. Do you feel the same? 'Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? 'Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game?
There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S-D.
Hey, it's your girl A, and y'all already know what time it is. It's an Amazon Prime. Get you a UNiceWIG on time. Girl, what y'all already know. They came through with the elastic band and all that. When it comes to UNice hair, affordability, girl, they definitely got y'all covered. Now, this one right here may look like the last one that I did, but let me just tell y'all the difference. I'm going to definitely style this unit a little bit different, and then you're going to see me come back in a few days because I decided I didn't like the style that I did it in. But just let's talk about this unit. Came with pre-pluction, pre-thinned out, pre-bleached, pre-styled, an elastic band, removable and adjustable. Okay, adjustable straps, a comb, and let's not forget, it did also come with what, girl? A drawstring. Now, if y'all are in the mood for some drawstrings, then you best try out UNice here, girl, because they have been around for a minute and have some really nice units. Now, this is where I thought I would just do a little bit of a wispy bang. And then I discovered that, girl, I don't really know if I like it as a wispy bang, only because of where the color was dyed at. So I was kind of like not feeling that part. But for the most part, everybody likes what they like, and I'm one of them that's real picky. Now, as for the cut of the bang, I think I did a really great job. I would have liked, though, a little bit more gradually moving into the highlighted colors. I don't really like so much choppy. And I think that's what made me decide that I wanted to change the style that I put the unit in. Now, I've realized that some units or some colors just don't look right in every hairstyle. I don't know, that's me, But anyway, either here nor there, UNice has some beautiful hair, very affordable. You can check them out on Amazon, and also you can catch them on their own actual website. Now, this hair is easy to curl, girl. 180% density, 24 inches, and Brazilian body wave. You can't get no better than that. And when I say about Amazon Prime, get your stuff on time, girl. Now, y'all have seen me do this part over and over again, but, I still definitely have to show just a little bit. But I'm definitely not about to sit here and curl the second side with you, because that would just be ridiculous. So here I came through, and I thought these curls came out really, really nice. What I should have did was have made this into an actual curtain bang, which I still could. But girl, listen, I decided after a few days, I didn't know how I felt about the bang with the highlights. That's just me. We're entitled to that. So I had to kind of like brush the hair out of place, repart it, mousse it into style, girl, and just redo it. And here I come again, restyling another wig a few days later. Now, mind you, I don't look the same because this is really an actual week later. I decided not to put that much makeup on. Didn't really care about the lashes, girl. I was just trying to get this video done. And I figured I liked the side part. Now, mind you, with the banging, when it's cut to wispy bang, you definitely have to restyle and mousse the hair or wash it just to get the hair to lay the other way. I wasn't trying to do all that, so I did mousse it off of camera and got it to lay and did spritz some water and then just let it air dry like that. I might as well have just washed it. But anyway, this hair did come out really, really nice. I love the fact that UNice gives you quality units for the most affordable price. And listen, I know I've talked your ear off, and this was really supposed to be a voiceover, but I decided to run my lips a little bit once you see the finished look. So, girl, let me know which side you like. What did you think of the bang? Was it just me bugging out, or am I entitled to my preference of changing it to a swoopage side? You let me know, girl.
So I'm done. So this came out cute. I definitely needed to recurl it. The one thing I will say, when you get a wig that's kind of like highlighted or colored, make sure you deep condition it so that way, or wash it, so that way all the hair is just perfect. When you get a wig, it's really important to wash it, but I know sometimes we just need to throw them on and go, run out the door. So, you know, I can understand that, but my high suggestion to you guys would be to definitely wash it so that way the hairs to be tamed. They're not all wild all over the place. You don't have to use a lot of hairspray or wax sticks to allow the hair to lay down. So that's my number one rule, pet peeve, to wash your wig. But for the most part, this wig came out cute. Took me like a few minutes to curl it because it was already curled, you know, and it's pretty long. It's a 24-inch, so, you know, what can I say? Definitely link everything below for UNice hair. Amazon Prime, get your stuff on time. I try to leave the curse word out this time, but the wig fit really nice, really easy and affordable. Check Amazon out, UNice hair. Check their website. Check out UNice hair in general. That's some really nice, affordable wigs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay diva and divolicious. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs the video up. And I did forget to show you guys, it is glueless. I'm not going to go on this side because, you know, that's where the hairs are laid. But look at that. Girl, what? This is definitely glueless. So all I did was lay my hairs down right here with my styling mousse, but no hairspray. Yes, you guys, I love you all. Stay diva and divolicious. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs the video up. Check the information box for UNice hair. Definitely see y'all in the comment section below. Have a great day, evening, whenever you're watching this. Stay blessed, stay diva and divolicious. And I love you all, and I'll see y'all in the next video.